In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign out from YouTube on your iPhone or Android device. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. And once the app is opened, tap right here at your YouTube profile picture, and then towards the very top of the screen you can easily find your channel's name here. Just tap at your channel's name, not at manage your Google account. It will show you all your YouTube accounts you have signed in. You can scroll down to see more of your accounts. However, all we have to do here is just tap down below where it says Manage Accounts on this device. Once you tap on it, we'll be taken to that page where you can find all of your Gmail accounts or YouTube accounts you are currently signed in, and then all you have to do to sign out from a particular account is just tap at the button which says Remove from this device. Tap at that button. It says the account and any unsaved data will be removed from YouTube and other Google apps on this device. To continue, tap at Remove. That's how you can easily sign out from YouTube on mobile.